Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-3 visas here in Thailand. These are non-immigrant marriage visas, and to be clear on this, they are non-immigrant. There is a supplemental petition that can be filed for a K-3 visa on top of an immigrant spouse visa that allows someone to apply for a non-immigrant marriage visa. Now, the reason the K-3 exists, it's really not a superior visa to an immigrant spouse visa, but it exists because immigrant spouse visas process, quite frankly, rather slowly. In the past, they were created under the auspices of the Life Act under President Clinton at a time when what was the INS, now Department of Homeland Security, was processing immigrant spouse visa cases very slowly, and so they created a more prioritized visa category, albeit non-immigrant, for the spouses of American citizens. That's how we got the K-3. So what's going on with the K-3 right now? Well, not much. There's still issues with what we refer to as administrative closing, where if it's deemed that the K-3 isn't necessary, they'll just close it at the National Visa Center. For those who watch my videos relatively frequently, I'm not the biggest fan in the world of the NVC. It frankly is kind of a quagmire in my opinion, and it asks for all kinds of redundant documents and documents I don't even think they need. I don't even think they should be adjudicating issues related to domicile, because that should be a consular officer, not just some faceless person or persons or no one or whatever part of the overall process. But long story short, yeah, I don't think you're going to see a lot of sympathy right now in terms of, not administratively closing a K-3 case and thereby bypassing the NVC altogether. I just don't think that's overly likely. Some good news, if that were to happen, we are seeing a thaw with respect to processing of K category visas. We're starting to see more interviews taking place, being scheduled. We're starting to kind of see the backlog start to thaw out and the logjam start to ease a little bit. Are there any new requirements for the K-3? No, the same old ones that are pretty daunting to begin with. But we are seeing things kind of start to move forward a little faster, so hopefully that's good news here in 2022.